6.
The current government is intervening through getting proactive interventions to minimize the impacts of droughts to the livestock keeping communities. The jajo animals we cannot sell to many of the countries outside our country because of the trade-sensitive diseases. These diseases have been with our livestock for quite a while, and provided they are within our country, we are not able to sell our animals to especially the European market, which is a lucrative market. So that vaccination will give the Kenyan farmer a big mileage in terms of selling their animals to other countries which place more restriction due to safety standards. We realize that we have in our population women and youth, if I might also add there, they are a big segment of our society, and many of this segment is actually located in the rural areas. What we have realized for a while now is much of the livestock business is dominated by men, and we disadvantage our women when we don't involve them actively. We have over time done studies and pilots, and we have seen that when women are well prepared in this business, they are succeeding very well, others more than the men. So we are deliberately going there and to propping the women so that they can play their active role in livestock businesses. The same with youth.
If the producer get better value for the animal, in this case, this will encourage him or her to buy feeds, to to have boreholes for water, vaccinate their animals. If they know they will export to their animals, so for example, the MENA region, Middle East and North Africa, in this case also they will look for the genetics of the animals, how they promote the growth, so meet or comply with the exportation standards and so on.